May poster ba kayo o products na gusto nyong i-advertise sa Facebook? At pag may inquiries, dapat may autoresponder yan. How? Just watch this video. First, go to your Facebook page. Kung wala, just click this and click Create New Page. Lagyan nyo ng details at mga pictures. Mag-create lang kayo ng mga post dito. Then, invite friends so they can see and follow your page. Once may page na kayo at mayroon na kayong post na gusto nyong i-advertise o boost post at may mga clients na mag-inquire, mas maganda kapag may instant reply or automatic response. Go to your inbox and click Automated Responses. Click Instant Reply, then click Edit. So may sample na dito si Facebook. So edit na lang or add or change details. Mas maganda kung lagyan nyo ng mga contact info. So click Add Personalization. Since may info na ako sa page ko, automatic na yan mag-appear. Yung contact number, email ad, and website. Once done, save on upper right and ma-view nyo yung instant message or reply. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-personalize o wala pang laman pag-click nyo ng add personalization, so kailangan lagyan natin ng details. So go to your page, click edit info page, and input your details here. Importante yung contact number, email ad, at saka yung website. So, how to get your website? Go to your IMG portal. Then, nasa offer page yan ng Dominate. In my case, yung offer page ko or yung website ko, naka-short link na siya via bit.ly.com. We advise to use this para hindi tayo ma-block kapag maraming nag-click sa link natin. To get your offer page, login tayo sa ating IMG portal. Andyan sa Tools, IMG Dominate. So, login tayo ulit. Copy the offer page or the website. So right-click lang, then copy. So using your Google browser, you go to bit.ly.com. Click natin tong create, then right-click and paste the link and click natin tong create. Mag-generate yan ng short link. So just copy that and paste to your FB page as your website. You can also send this to your clients kapag nag-share kayo via Facebook or Messenger. So it's just the same thing kapag nag-click sila sa link. So show natin to, for example, paste natin to sa Google browser, or if they click that link, they will be redirected to your IMG page. So ito yung mag-appear, agent code nyo pa rin yan, and once they click be a member, they will be under your team automatically. Okay, so back to your post. Pag may nag-send ng message or kapag may nag-inquire, ma-notify tayo or we can view that sa ating inbox. Okay, so that easy, napakadali lang. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and God bless.